Welcome back to Acorn Cottage. I'm David Bruce. Today in the studio, we are crafting patriotic 4th of July candles to decorate for the upcoming holiday. Let's get started. Here are some examples of the candles we are going to be crafting today. I'll be using tall glass candles from the dollar store, patriotic images from vintage postcards, which I found on the internet and printed out on my laser printer. I will be using Mod Podge, clear craft glue, and trims including silver tinsel garland, rusty metal stars, jute roping, and silver glass glitter. First, I'll make sure the image I printed will fit around the candle. Next, I'll cut down the image, trimming the top and the sides. Now I will measure the length that I'll need, leaving about a ½ inch at the top to add trimmings. Here I just folded and tore off the bottom edge to the correct length. Next, I paint a layer of Mod Podge over about half of the candle. I center the image and flip it over, making any adjustments. Add more Mod Podge to the rest of the candle and seal the edge. Using my fingers, I smooth out the paper, and then I use the back of my thumbnail to smooth out any wrinkles. I don't add a layer of Mod Podge over the image, but you can add a layer or grunge it up with paint for a more primitive look. My next step is to add some silver glass glitter as an added detail. Here I highlighted the stars and the firecrackers. and hear the fireworks. I think for this candle, I will highlight the burst of fireworks. And I'm using a fine grit silver glass glitter and clear craft glue. After the glue is dried, I will add trims to the candles. Here I will be using some jute roping and wrap the top edge. I start with a dab of hot glue and then wrap to a nice thickness and then secure with more hot glue. For this candle, I decided to add a jute bow and then a grouping that I put together of the rusty metal stars. I've trimmed these other candles using tarnished silver tinsel garland to highlight the silver glitter and the rusty metal stars. These candles are a great vintage addition to your holiday decorating. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. And for unique crafting supplies and holiday whimsies, check out my Etsy store. We'll see you next time in the studio.